Ainesh, can you hear me? Ainesh, can you hear me? Oh, we have a problem. Just a minute, Aditya. Ainesh, can you hear me? Ainesh, can you hear me? Okay, I'm going to type something in the Jamboard. Aditya, looks like Ainesh can hear me.
What happened?
Ainesh, can you hear me? Can you hear me? Ainesh?
Hello.
Can you hear me?
Hello.
Can you hear me?
Hello.
Oh dear.
Hello.
Ainesh? Oh dear.
Hello. What happened?
Ainesh?
Oh my days.
Okay, Ainesh, if you can hear me, disconnect and reconnect. Okay, testing. Ainesh, can you hear us?
Hello.
Can you hear us?
Hello, can you hear me?
Can you hear
Hello?
us? Okay,
Yes.
Aditya, just to confirm that you can hear me, right?
Yeah.
Okay, Ainesh, can you hear me?
Yeah, what just happened?
I'm not sure. Your voice goes in, but looks like my voice cannot reach you, and yet my voice reach Aditya well.
Oh.
So maybe there's a headset problem or what at your side, yeah? Okay, if this happens again, let's see that we might need to troubleshoot. Can you hear me now?
Yes.
Okay, very good. So how many points to draw a line, Ainesh? How many?
3.
3. Okay, you say 3. Now, Aditya actually answered 2 just now. My question is, can you hear his answer just now?
No.
Can you hear his answer?
No.
Oh, right. Okay. All right. So that means you cannot hear both of us, but we can communicate fine. I can communicate with Aditya. Right. So you say 3, yeah? So look at the problem with 1 point. If I only say 1 point, not to say that, I can draw, let's say this is my point. I can draw 1, 2, 3, 4, too many lines. This is the same as I cannot draw a line. 1 point is not enough. Now I have 2 lines. Here's 1, here is 2. Well, I can draw 1 line very nicely. If I use another 2-point combination, let's say this and that, then I can draw another line. So 2 points seems nice. What happens with 3 points? Well, if the 3 point is like that, then I cannot draw a line, correct?
True.
It becomes a triangle. Make sense, Ainesh and Aditya?
Yes.
Yeah.
Right. Doesn't mean that you cannot use 3 points, but the 3 point has to fall on a same line. Very unlikely lah. Very unlikely. So we usually say only 2 points is enough. All right. Now, in the course of you really drawing a line, you actually want more than 2 points for accuracy because we are human being lah. Yeah, but those points are already in a line, very different from 3 random points. Is this clear or not, Ainesh and Aditya?
It is.
All right. So Ainesh, again testing. Can you hear me?
Yes.
Okay, very good. Now, for both of you, do you know the concept of gradient or letter M? Yes or no, Aditya?
Yeah,
Okay.
kind of.
Very good. Now, for both of you, on paper is enough, yeah? On paper, find the gradient of the green line. If you do not remember, I'll tell you how to. Please, on paper.
Of the green line.
Of the green line.
I don't remember. I think it's 3/2.
Correct? And no, not correct. So I'm sorry. So look at it. The concept of gradient has some formality to it. The formality looks like this. Okay, I am going to visualize the gradient by drawing a triangle. There you go. Yeah, by drawing a triangle. Wait, 1, 2. Oh my goodness, right? I did a mistake. Huh? So this is supposed to be 4. Right, my mistake, yeah. Aditya, this is 5,4. Yeah, I think I drew it. Right, my mistake. So this is a very small triangle that I draw, Ainesh. The triangle represents 2 things: my rise and my run. Rise and run, very simple thing. Rise is my going up or going down. In this case, my going up, and my run is my going to the right or to the left. So Aditya, you are correct. Yeah. So my rise is very simple. Isn't my rise 2? Do you see that, Ainesh?
The rise is 2, yeah.
Right, which is to say it's 4 minus 2 lah. That's why it is 2, right? The y. And then my run going from left to right is also 2, correct or not?
Mm-hmm.
Coming from minus 5 to 5 minus 3, so it's 2 over 2, so it is 1 lah. Okay. Okay, this you will. Okay, so how do I get my run as 2? Wait, my run. Yeah, my run as 2.
Where did the 4 come from?
All right, because I made a mistake. It's not a 5, it is a 4, right? 1, 2,
Oh.
3, right? That was my mistake. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. My mistake, yeah, it's my mistake.
Yeah.
Right? So it's supposed to be 4. So we end up having 2 and 2. Are you clear? The rise is 2, the run is 2. Okay, I'm using the coordinate. Are you okay, Ainesh?
Yeah.
All right. So now, Aditya, you seem to remember the formula. For I don't emphasize formula too much. Your teacher will. As long as you are correct for now, it's fine. Now, I will invite you, both of you, to do the gradient of the red line. Please do so. The red line, yeah. Please do so. So the red line, the one of the coordinate is also minus 1, 4. That will be my mistake again, right? Minus 1, 4. Okay. Now, Ainesh, I don't see any paper and drawing. I need to see that. I need to see your working. If not, I cannot even comment on what's going on. Okay.
Okay.
Right. I need to see something, some work. All right, excellent, Aditya. You look fresh in this topic. When did you last learn this?
Like 2 months ago.
Understand. So you've already started coordinate geometry. Am I correct?
We finished it.
So how come in your syllabus you will be learning coordinate geometry? So let me just confirm that. I
That
didn't
was
see
A-math.
that wrong.
That was A-math. We did it in E-math already.
Oh, I see. So you learned some basics in E-math. I like that. And then we're going to continue lah with A-math lah. Good, good, very good, very good. Okay, okay. So we are definitely going to do that. So Ainesh, move up a bit. I cannot see. What is your gradient?
It's half.
All right. Okay. So it is not half, but minus half. Very interesting. For now, I'll just say it this way. This kind of a line is called a moving up line. Can you appreciate that? It's moving up. This kind of line is moving down. Can you see that?
Yeah.
So if I go from left to right, I'll be climbing this line. If I go from left to right, I'll be, well, climbing down this line. Okay, climbing down, climbing up. I don't go from right to left. If I go from right to left, then everything is reversed, right? So I just go from left to right. If my line is climbing down, the gradient will be negative. So it is not going to be negative half. That's all I offer for now. Can Ainesh?
Okay.
So the green guy, positive 1. And then the red guy will be negative half because it is going down. Aditya, okay with that?
Yep.
Okay, so now. One more refresher before we go to the main thing. So there is a great benefit of finding the equation of a line. Finding the equation of a line means you actually find the line. You can use it in your calculation. So we're crossing from visualization to algebra. Now, who has seen this before, Aditya?
Yeah, I have.
Okay. How about you, Ainesh?
Sorry?
Have you seen this before in the Jamboard?
Yeah, of course.
All right. Then do you remember what is C? Because I'm going to ask both of you to find the C of the green line.
The y-intercept.
It is true. If you know how to do it, Aditya, please show me. How about you, Ainesh?
How to find the y-intercept?
Well, whatever this C means, I haven't told you anything. Maybe you know already. If you don't know or don't remember, please tell me.
I remember. Okay.
Very good, Aditya. Very good. How about you, Ainesh? Yes or no?
The green one. So
The green one. We'll start with that. Okay, I'm going to very quickly revise, or maybe this is the first time. Okay, maybe, yeah, right. So for the green one, I know one thing. I know the gradient. The gradient is actually the m, right? Why is that so? I don't give you the story yet, right? So currently I have, sorry, the y-intercept is?
-1.
Oh, now I can see. Oh, now I can see what you're doing. Okay, going up. Sorry, going up. Now I can see what you're doing. How very good. Okay, go up, go up. Paper, go up, please. Ainesh, paper, go up. I cannot follow.
Oh, okay.
Right, paper, go up. So I can see that you're using the 3 and the 2. I like that a lot. And then finally, your C is -1. I totally agree with you. Now, you, Aditya, you're using something weird. You're using the x equals to 0. Now, I'm not sure where that would lead you. Okay. Now, what is Ainesh using? Ainesh is using a point which is on the line. He's using, for example, 3, 2. Okay. No mystery there. Now, I'm going to invite both of you to use the other point on the line. The other point on the line. 5, 4. Before you do that, make a prediction. Will your C be the same or not? Aditya?
Yeah.
And Ainesh, what about you?
If the C is the same.
If I use 5, 4 instead of 3, 2.
Yeah, no.
All right, then please give it a try, both of you, Aditya and Ainesh. Right? If you use 5, 4, will your C be equal to -1? Right, Aditya, I need to see some writing. Yeah?
Oh, wait.
Okay, so first of all, you're using the green, not the red one. Okay,
that's
don't
fine.
use yeah. Okay, very good. So Ainesh, for you, no surprises, yeah?
Yeah.
No surprises. Okay, good. Now, quickly find the red one. Quickly find the red one, and then we can do something about both of these. Meaning to say, find the equation of the red one, the full equation, right? Okay. Okay, the Aditya moving up, yeah? Help me there. Okay, moving up.
Oh.
Okay, very nice. Yes.
I forgot, I got confused for a second.
Right. Okay, our visualization is very important here. We should rely on that. You're out of focus for some reason, Aditya. Zoom.
The full equation for the red line?
No, the green one first for you.
Okay.
The green and the red are both, right? So, Ainesh, you're stopping somewhere. That's very weird. Why are we? What is very weird? Yeah. Oh, right. Okay. Okay, Nadida, you help me. You're going to press the screen of your phone because it's totally out of focus. Just help me a bit. Right. I cannot see anything.
That is 3.5.
So you're saying that your gradient is -1/2 and your x is -1. Just to confirm, yes? Yeah. Oh, very good. Then your C is 3/2. Good. So tell me, what is the equation of the red line? Just to confirm that you know this. The equation will be?
The equation is y equals to a -1/2 x plus 3.5.
Excellent. I like that very much. So I know where you are. Very good. And for the green one, I'm going to write this. So just waiting for, yeah, very good. Okay, good, Aditya. Now for both of you, labeling the y. This is y, this is also y, right? For some reason, they are very stingy at labeling. They meaning the questions. But totally fine for you to label this as y1, for example, y line 1 and y2. Totally fine. You have to define who's y1 and y2, but you can do that, and probably you should. Okay, in my case, I label it as green because I even have the color. You don't have that luxury in your working, so you just use y1 or y2 or some other method of labeling. It's fine. Okay, one more time. Your teacher might be stingy in doing this. Your textbook, your exam might be stingy in doing this. I am not stingy, and I don't believe you should be stingy. You should be liberal in your labeling. Okay, any question on labeling?
Nope.
Okay, very good. Now, I'm going to go to the new things in Amen. Yeah. Now I have in my hands a new x and y coordinate. Now give me a random line, please, Aditya. Random line. The equation
2x
I mean. Yeah?
plus 4.
Okay,
no, wait, 2x plus 7.
Okay, I'm going to spice it up by minus 2x plus 7. Okay. Now, I want you to be so comfortable and so at ease at drawing a line. Okay. See if you can draw better than me. If not, then imitate me. Yeah? Watch what I do. Yeah? Watch what I do. Remember, how many points to draw a line, Ainesh?
2.
So I'm going to do exactly that. I'm going to have 2 points. First, this is 7, 0. Am I correct, Ainesh?
Yeah.
Wrong. That's not 7, 0. What is it? What is it, Aditya?
That's like...
That is not 7, 0 because 7, 0 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7, 0 is here. This guy is the y-intercept, right? So
10,
if
10.
I put why is 10? Why is it 10, 10? Sorry.
Oh no, that point. Oh wait, never mind. Sorry. Never mind.
Yeah.
Wait, I was
could be.
confused. I am lost. I was
Right.
Never mind.
Don't be lost. Right? So remember, I'm trying to draw a line very easily and very comfortably. And I realized that my first point is actually 0, 7, not 7, 0. You might have flipped that, Ainesh. I'm not sure. You might have. Right?
Yeah.
My point is, visually, you should be looking at this guy. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7. That guy. If you're thinking about this guy, and you say that this is 7, 0, then your imagination is correct, although your coordinate seems wrong. Okay? Understand? Should be 0, 7, x and y. Clear, yeah, Ainesh?
Yeah.
Clear, Aditya?
Yeah.
Now, watch how I handle the other point, because you can do it in so many ways. I'll give you my way, yeah? My favorite way, right? My favorite way. I see my gradient as minus 2. Look, it's minus 2, 1. Minus 2 over 1 is my gradient. This is my rise and this is my run. All right. Do you know what minus 2 rise means, Aditya?
It means it's a downward slope.
Very good. So we go down instead of go up. It's a rise or negative rise. Okay, we go down. No. What does run mean? I move to the right. Correct or not? So this gradient tells me from this point, I will go to the right by 1. Ding, 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 ding. And I will go down by 2. There you go, my next point. Okay, the coordinate of this point is very easy. It's 1, 5. Can you see it, Aditya? And can you see it, Ainesh?
Yeah.
Right? So I have used the gradient to find another point, and now I can draw my line. Clear or not? Clear, Aditya? Clear, Ainesh? Ainesh, clear? Ainesh, can you hear me? Ainesh, can you hear me? Uh-oh, we have a problem again. Ainesh, can you hear me?
Hello.
Oh dear. Ainesh, can you hear me?
Hello. Oh my God.
Can you hear me?
I can hear you, Aditya. You can hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you. I mean, I was talking to Ainesh, if he could hear.
Right. So
like,
Ainesh
remember
just...
that one time?
Which one?
That one time where he could hear me, but then I couldn't.
Oh, that happened. Yeah, now can you hear us, Ainesh?
Yes.
Okay, so it happens again, right? It happens again. So are you sure this is not your headset problem?
No, I'm not even using a headset.
Oh, you're listening to us from the laptop, yes?
Yeah.
Huh, that's so weird. Okay, right. Okay, never mind. Now, give me a spicy fraction. Ines.
5/7.
5 by 7 is super spicy. Look at this line. I'm going to draw this line with ease and confidence. Observe. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Hey, it's still this guy, 0.7. Do you agree, Aditya?
Yep.
All right. Then what about the second point? I'm going to use the gradient. What does this mean? The rise is 5, the run is 7. How do we measure run 7? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How do you measure rise 5? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There you go. That is my next point. I lost the point. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Voila. Tell me, Aditya, what is the coordinate of this second point? Run 7, move
7, 12.
Right, 7. Very good. And I have my. You shall not be scared of such a fancy gradient. It is very easy to find the second point if your goal is just to draw a line. Are you clear, Aditya?
Yep.
Are you clear, Ainesh?
Yeah.
Right, now let us get some spiciness. All right, give me another spicy equation. Ainesh, spicy equation. Tell us.
Me again.
Yes, please.
Spicy equation.
Yes, very spicy.
9 by 13.
Right, super spicy. X, right?
Yeah.
Plus a nice number.
A nice number. 6.
Okay, kindly draw this line in your paper, Ainesh, maybe a new paper. Aditya, you also, right? This one with some accuracy, yeah, with some accuracy, yeah, with some proper scaling.
Oh, I don't know.
Right, let me see 2 points. Start with the easiest point. Testing, Ainesh, can you hear us?
Yes.
Good. The coordinate will be nice, Ainesh.
Yeah.
Trading you, very good, Ainesh. Second point, using the gradient, rise and run. You will have problem with your rise, okay? You will have problem with your rise.
Yeah.
I suppose you can move down quite a bit. You have to move down actually quite a lot. And actually you have to move down a lot, like a lot. You have to. Like move down even more. Like you need to rise by 9. You know? That's not gonna cut it, right? You have to rise by 9.
No, if
That's
I
a problem.
down to 0, -3, and then I move 13 to the right, I think that covers it, right?
No, because you have to go up 6 and then go up 9, right?
Why go up 9?
Well, the rise is 9.
You can go down 9.
Well, it's 9 over 13. Can you just go down instead of go up? Is that okay, actually? Is that really okay? Are you sure you can do that?
I'm not sure. Can I?
Try going down 9 and going right, and let's see whether it's correct or not. This is an important experiment. Please try.
Okay.
Aditya, later you move to the right and move up, yeah, so I can follow you.
Yeah.
Okay, I can kind of see you again. Okay, then you have that line, right?
Yeah.
Now look at this line. Is it a sloping down or sloping up?
Sloping down. Oh, which is half. Oh, yeah, you're right.
Yeah. So you cannot do that in that sense. You cannot. The reason is because, well, now you know. Now, try to draw the appropriate line and you realize that you have some constraints. Right? You do have some constraints because of the spiciness of your equation.
Okay.
So Aditya, okay, right. You will also have some problem, are you? Okay. Now, Aditya, for you, the way you deal with this is like this. Each scale, you just plus 2. Do you understand? So your scale is 2, 4, 6.
Okay.
If you don't do that, you will not have enough space. And that's, 2, 4, 6, 2, 4, 6, everything, right? So your 13 should be between, between. Whoa, whoa, Aditya, whoa. Whoa, stop jumping like that. Whoa, 2, 4, 6, 8, 12. Whoa, stop that.
Oh.
And you jump from 16 to 20 also, which is not good.
I went from 2 to 4.
Much better. Okay. They'll solve your space problem. No need to be too much. No need to be too much. No need to be everything. No, you don't label everything. That's a misunderstanding. You don't have to label everything, right? Okay, you have your 0.6 ainesh, very good. Then how about the other point?
So
you're going from the first
0.6.
point. Yep, and then you need to go up by how many? The rise will be
9.
9, and 6 plus 9 will be
15.
All right, so 15 is around there. Yeah, very nice. You have space now. Ainesh, are you okay? Why are you stopping? Ainesh?
Yeah.
Why are you stopping?
I was just drinking some water.
Very.
Yeah.
Okay, a very nice line, Aditya. Very nice line. Now, Ainesh, are you going to finish it? I can wait.
I'm confused.
Okay, 0.6, right? And then rise and run. What is the rise?
It's 15.
215. Okay, then the run is still 13, right? So I think it's easier to measure run 13%. So measure your 13 run. And then your rise is 9 up to 15. So you tell that coordinate 15,13, and then you draw them, and you'll be fine. You're done.
Okay.
All right. Okay.
So the rise has to go above, like the 9 has to be above 6. Can you explain?
All right. Yes, I suppose I do need to do that. So I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna do that same thing. So I'm gonna do 2, 4, 6. That's my 0.6, right? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. Now, do you know why I'm doing the scaling 2 by 2, Ainesh?
Because a lot of numbers.
And I don't have enough space, right? So that's one way to do it. Aditya also encountered the same problem. So we're trying to solve a practical problem here. Where is my space, right? So then I need 8, 10, 12, 14, and then this is 16. This will be my 15. So I have my, there you go. This is my 15,13. Now, Aditya, I need you to write down the coordinates. So that's a good practice. It's always a good practice. Please do that. Yeah. Right. The most visual way of explaining to you, Ainesh, is the rise and run is represented by a triangle.
Yeah.
It is a 90-degree triangle, and
Wait,
this
isn't it
triangle would be
13,
9
15?
vertically. You are absolutely correct. It is 13, 15. Very good, Aditya, for spotting the mistake. Very good. So Ainesh, it's not 15, 13. It is?
What? Wow.
Well, first of all, the run is 13,
Oh.
right? Right. Maybe karena mix up the x and y again, right? So just a practice lah. Just practice. Most excellent, Aditya. This is our visual sense. Nothing tells you this is wrong except that visually it doesn't make a lot of sense lah, or something like that lah. So 13, 15. Very good. Now back to Ainesh question, yeah. 13 run rise 9. Okay, is this enough of an explanation? If not, I'll give you more, Ainesh.
No, I think I understand. Yeah.
All right, so I'm going to do something that may confuse you or may be okay for both of you.
Actually, I don't understand.
Very good. I'm going to do something else. Maybe you can understand, right? Now, I am going to have another point on the line, right? Because remember, a line consists of infinite number of points, if that makes sense. Yeah, so I can easily draw a third point on the line, no problem there. And I'm going to do the same triangle to represent the gradient. The triangle will be 9 and 13. So I'm going to do that. -2, -4, right? Ding dong, right? I have drawn another triangle, 9, 13. And this is my third point. And my third point here, the coordinate will be what, Aditya?
Okay.
See whether you can think about it. I have a third point here. What would that be?
This is using the equation.
Oh, I'm still using 0,6, right? See, I'm still using that. And I'm still using 9, 13. I am, see, 9 and 13. But for some reason, I'm tracking back instead of moving forward.
Is it 9 and -3?
Okay, let's see whether that makes
sense. Oh wait, no. It's by 2. It's by 2. Sorry.
13. It'll be 13, -3.
Okay, now tell you what, guys.
15,
you guys are all
-3.
Okay, no. Look, 15 means you are here. 13 means you are here. I mean, cannot be what?
-15.
We're behind.
-13, yeah.
-3.
-13,
Yes. Not -15, but -13. Okay? Would that be okay? -13. Right? -13. Does this make sense first? Okay, Aditya, make sense first?
Yeah.
-13, negative. Now, you can see my triangle two ways, two ways. Oh, I go down 9, I go to the left 13. I can do that. In fact, if you see it from this point to this point, that's what I do. I go down 13, I go down 9, and I go to the left 13. If I see it the other way, then I go to the right 13 and I go up 9. Right? So it depends on where you are seeing from where to where. The point is, it's still 13.9. It's still 13.9, and this point is still correct. This point is still correct. This point is still correct. What I'm saying here makes sense or not?
Yeah.
Right. I'm going to do one more thing. Aditya, does it make sense?
Yeah.
You are certain that this point is not a bluff, right? It is a correct point. You're very certain, yeah? Okay, now lastly, I'm going to do something here. I'm going to draw a big triangle. There you go. This big triangle is obviously not 9, 13, right? It's not. What is it, Aditya? This big triangle?
This big triangle is...
The red big triangle is
12.
No, not 12. No, not 12. No. Oh gosh, no. 9, 9. Correct? 9, 9.
Oh yeah,
13,
it's by 2.
13.
Oh my god.
Yeah. So what would it be? 18? Okay, very good. Then let me ask you, both of you, a question, right? Is it wrong for me to measure the gradient by this point and this point such that I get 18 over 26? Did I do something wrong? Did I do something? Okay, no, right. Then, but how come it's 18 and 26? How come? Certainly it looks wrong. Am I not supposed to use A and B? Is that the problem here? Do we have a problem, Ainesh?
No, 18 by 26 works, right?
But 18 is not 9 and 26 is not 13.
But it simplifies as a fraction.
Very good. So even as I use AB, I will still get 18 over 26, which is nicely 9 over 13. X, and then this is still plus 6.
Wait,
now,
so one thing, if it's not a perfect triangle, if it's like somewhere random over here, will the triangle match? Like if you simplify the fraction?
Oh, I will kindly do that for you. For example, I'm gonna do half, okay? Half in the middle, right? Because random point will be too ugly of a number. I just do half. Would that be okay?
Yeah.
All right, so I'm going to do half here. So as you know, half is 6.5, right? 4.5 and 6.5. Okay, Ken? That's the small triangle. So I have coordinate D. Tell me what's the coordinate of D, Ainesh?
Is 12?
No, it's not what I'm talking about. The small triangle is 6.5 and 4.5. We're moving from 0.6. So that would be
6.5, 4.5.
No, not comma 4.5. Goodness me. We're moving from 0.6. So we're moving from 0.6. So very good. 10.5. That makes sense. Okay, Aditya. Now, using this small triangle, is this wrong? This is 4.5 and 6.5. Is something wrong, Aditya?
It works.
It works. Very good. What do you think, Aditya?
Yeah, it does.
Because 4.5 over 6.5 is still 9 over 13, correct?
Yeah.
Still. So this is the rule. They tell you can use any 2 points on the line. This is the explanation. No? The triangle will always be okay one. Right? So now I'm not sure whether that answers your question, Ines, your original question. Is this a good answer?
Yeah.
Very good. Now remember one impression I'm trying to give you people. Even if the gradient is a lousy fraction, there is no cause of concern. You can handle it one. You must understand is that you can handle it one. No problem. Can? Aditya?
Yeah.
Can? Ainesh?
Yeah.
Now, this is our start of the AMAT trigonometry. For you, Ainesh is always AMAT, yeah? Right. So because the AMAT trigonometry will do certain things to you. For example, if I don't strengthen your sense right now, like in this past 25 minutes, you will have problem. Now, are you sure no question before I move on?
Yeah.
Okay, very good. Now, sorry. Okay. No. Should I do it here? No, actually I don't want to do it here. Right. Okay, let's move to page 8. Yeah, let's move to page 8. Right. So give me a gentle line of equation of line, please, Aditya. A nicer one for us. I'm going to teach you something new. Aditya, give me a gentle equation of line.
A nice one.
A nicer one. A nicer one.
Can it be a fraction?
A fraction, but make it not so complicated like 9 and 13.
Okay, so 2 over 3 plus 1.
Fine. Okay, and I'll make it as minus. Okay, just a bit of spiciness. All right. Are you at Jamboard page 8, Ainesh?
No. Yeah.
Now, this is one of the new things that they will teach you. I'm going to show you something. First, I'm going to draw the line first. So here you go, that's your 1, right? And then 2 and 3, right? So rise 2, run 3. So voila, right? So this is my 0, 1, and this is my 3, 3 lah. Okay, so just checking my line, is everything correct? Is everything correct, people?
Yeah.
Okay, is everything correct, Ainesh? Just checking.
Yeah.
Both of you are wrong.
Ah, I see.
What's wrong with my line? What's wrong with my line?
It's supposed to be, wait.
What's wrong with my line? Tell me, what is wrong with my line?
The gradient doesn't match.
Yeah, the gradient doesn't drop, right? But I did 2 and 3 what? Here's my gradient, right?
It's minus, so it should be like
It's
this.
minus.
So what am I supposed to do?
Like
So tell me where my second point is supposed to be in the Jamboard, please. Tell me where my second point is supposed to be.
Just inverse it.
Oh, very interesting. Yeah, you choose this point. Actually, I like it a lot, that point, right? I was hoping that you will choose this point, but you know what? They're going to give you the same line, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so now instead of this, I'm going to draw the blue line. There you go. So officially, this is the blue line. No? Now, quickly tell me, Ainesh, what is the green line's equation? If you could tell me very quickly.
Y equals to 2 by 3x plus 1.
Correct, correct. You would agree, Aditya? Simple, yeah? Okay, so blue line and green line. Now, I try to draw rather accurately, right? Basically, I have a graph paper here. Now, my question is this. Blue line and green line, the gradient is minus 2 over 3 and 2 over 3. Lah. Are they perpendicular to each other or not, or don't know? What's your opinion, Aditya? Perpendicular or not? Perpendicular or not, Aditya?
Perpendicular.
All right, means 90 degree, 90 degree with each other. Okay, you think it's perpendicular? How about you, Ainesh?
No.
You think no. So why say yes and why say no? What do you think is perpendicular, Aditya?
Because like never mind. It's not. It has to be a negative reciprocal, not just negative version of it.
Wait, you know negative reciprocal already? You learned from math already. Okay, Ainesh. Okay. Now I'm gonna tell you what Aditya knows. Okay, sorry. Okay, good. So, in order to have a perpendicular line, this is their favorite thing, Ainesh. This is a favorite thing in coordinate geometry, right? Ainesh and Aditya. So they want you to have. Please make a perpendicular line to the blue guy, right? Please make a perpendicular line to the green guy. So perpendicularity is determined by, first of all, the gradient. Now reciprocal looks like this. Watch it. The reciprocal negative of this guy is, first of all, 3 over 2. See which side? Okay. Ainesh, okay, they switch side. And then if this is negative, then this will be positive. No? Okay, that's my gradient, which is perpendicular. Now look at this. What's the reciprocal, reverse reciprocal, whatever, of that guy, Aditya?
It will be negative 3 over 2 minus 1.
Negative 3 over 2. So I'm going to ignore the C for now. I'm going to ignore the C for now. This is an X. Right?
Oh, wait, no. Sorry. No negative 3 over 2, just 3 over 2.
No. You are correct. Wait, you're correct.
Oh.
2 over 3 must become 3 over 2, but negative. Because this is positive. It must.
Okay.
Negative 2 over 3 must become 3 over 2 and positive because this is negative. This guy will then be perpendicular to this guy and this guy also. Okay. I know there's a formula, Aditya. I don't teach you the formula. You can learn the formula one. I'm just telling you reciprocal looks like that. Reciprocal 3/2, but reverse the sign. Reciprocal 3/2, but reverse the sign. Now, Ainesh, do you follow what I'm doing? I haven't explained why I do this, but do you follow what I did?
No, because I can't understand the explanation.
I haven't explained.
Exactly.
I just told you what I do. What I do is I reverse the fraction, and then I also reverse the sign. That's what I do. I do two things. Okay, yeah. I haven't explained why, so I'm gonna now show you why lah. Show you why. Okay, so I'm going to draw the second blue line. This is my second blue line. I rather use the yellow because it will be very confusing. So let's say this is also +1. Okay, so I have now a new gradient 3/2 lah, right? I'm going to do that, right? So 3 right, 3, right? So yeah, 3. Wait. So my run will be 2, my rise will be 3 lah, right? Something like that. This coordinate will be now, although my drawing is not perfect, Aditya and Ainesh, look at the blue guy and look at the yellow guy. Do they kind of look perpendicular?
Doesn't perpendicular mean
blue.
degrees?
Perpendicular means what? Sorry, you're cut off, Ainesh.
Doesn't perpendicular mean 90 degrees?
Yeah. I'm saying that this looks like 90 degree, and obviously this is also 90 degree. It looks like it.
Yeah,
right? It looks like better than the green one by a large margin. By a large margin. Like the yellow is better. Now that's because my drawing is not perfect. If my drawing is perfect, it will be 90 degree. That's what I mean by I want to draw the perpendicular line. I have to do something to the gradient, obviously. Right? And what you do is that, look, you reverse the fraction and you also reverse the sign. You will get the perpendicular. That's the one of the first thing they will teach you. So this will be new to you. Look. Okay?
Okay.
Right. Now for you, Aditya and Ainesh, for you, Aditya, this is gonna be a refresher, yeah. So draw these two guys, lah. So draw the green line, draw the perpendicular of the green line, and let's see whether it's actually perpendicular or not. Okay, please do that. Okay, Ainesh, can you draw it?
Just draw it.
Draw the green line and draw the perpendicular of the green line. So you draw two lines, see whether they are actually perpendicular or not. Right? The same problem happens again, Aditya. So I totally lost your focus. Now, why does this happen? I just lost it. Right? If you could tap yourself, that might help. Maybe tapping will help. No need to disconnect. Maybe. It does not help at all, is it? That's so weird. Whoa, okay, right, that's so weird. Okay, it's back. Good, thank you.
Good old off and on.
Yeah. Wait. Ainesh. Do this two line first. Don't create a new line, please. Do this two line. Don't create a new line. Do this two line. Okay, now I lost you, Ainesh. All right. Well, today we have a lot of problems. Now I lost your video entirely. Oh, Ainesh, can you hear me, Ainesh? Okay, Aditya, you're saying that this is a revision or a repeat from e-math. Is it a total waste of time? Okay, good, Ainesh. Can you hear me, Ainesh? Can you hear me?
It's not really a total waste of time.
Why is that so? Is there something new here?
No, it's like a revision, which is always good.
All right.
Nothing wrong with revision.
Okay, okay. I suppose that is correct because we will need this to be very strong. We will need this to be. Ainesh, can you hear me? Ainesh, can you hear me? So Aditya, can I see your drawing? Yeah?
Yep, in the process, I guess.
Right. Yeah.
Hello, can you hear me?
Now I can hear you.
Yeah.
Can you hear me? Can you hear me?
Yes.
You can? Oh, so what did you do
Just
to solve the problem? Yes.
I drew a new graph.
Oh, no. I don't mean your math. No, I mean we had a problem just now, right? Same problem again. Then suddenly. Oh, okay. Never mind. Okay. So I realized that you draw a new graph, right? I realized that. Okay, no problem. I didn't want you to draw a new graph, but drawing a new graph, that's fine. That's fine. I have a problem with your new graph though. It doesn't look correct. That's my problem with your new graph. Huh? So I'm gonna draw your new graph also, and let's see whether we can match or not. Okay. I think you make a mistake. I think. Yeah.
Yeah, same.
Right. So your first line will be y equals to half x plus 3. And then your second one will be y equals to minus 2 over on x plus 3. These two are great. I like it a lot. Now, I think the problem is in the drawing. So, ting tong 0, 3. And then half, right? 1, 2, 1. So I was kind of expecting this point, like 2,4. Okay, I have 2,4, right? I think you have the 2, okay, I like that a lot. That's the 2,4, right? I think the problem is the other guy. So with minus 2,1, I believe the run is 1 and this one like that. So instead, I'll be expecting minus 1,5, right? That's my problem. First of all, your line doesn't look 90 degrees because they are not 90 degrees. They are not. Your equation of the line is correct. Your drawing is wrong. So I'm a bit concerned there. You have to improve your drawing skill. Should have been like that, right? Can you see the problem? Do you see why you make that mistake? Is the coordinate problem. This is your problem. This guy is your problem. See, you are not the same here, right? We're not. We're not. That point, you are wrong, basically.
I shouldn't. Yeah, okay, I got it.
Right? Now, do you know why it is wrong? That's important. Yeah?
Yes, I was thinking it's wrong.
Right. Because of the rise and the run, you didn't do it correctly, right? The rise and the run, you didn't do it correctly. What should the rise be, just to be clear?
It should be minus 2 by 1.
Minus 2, yeah. And the run should be 1, and that you didn't do.
Yeah.
Okay, that you didn't do, right? So be clear. Yeah? Okay, so Aditya, I cannot follow your drawing at all. Move to the right, I think. Moving to the right will help. Okay, so Ainesh, you are clear about this perpendicular gradient thing?
Yeah.
Okay, yeah. So Aditya just okay. Wait, Aditya, can you hear?
Yeah, just
Aditya,
one
okay,
second.
good. All right, sure. So Ainesh, I have one last question for you, before we move on again. So the +3, right? The +3.
Yeah.
Must it be +3? Remember, our goal is to draw a perpendicular line. Must it be +3 also?
Yes.
Surprisingly, no. Let me demonstrate. Surprisingly, no. Watch my green line. Let's say -2/1x, right? So the gradient change I like a lot. But let's say I now do a +5. Okay, let's say lah. Okay, yeah. Watch, I will start from 0,5, correct? Correct or not, Ainesh?
Yeah.
And then I will do this point as the new thing, and then I will draw this. Okay, that will be my green line, this guy lah. Look at that green line. Is that green line also perpendicular to the black guy?
Yeah, but you can make several stuff lines for that.
Oh, I can make infinite lines perpendicular. Obviously, yeah. This speaks of the fact that we have options lah. We have options.
Yeah, I guess. Yeah, you're right. But
right, if we set the gradient to be correct, then the question. So what this means is the question must tell us, hey, you want which one? Something like that. The question needs to tell us, not our job. The question needs to tell us. You understand? Huh? So the question is to tell us something else so that we know, hey, you want this one, or you want this one, or you want this one, or you want this one. There's so many options, something like that. So that's what you're asking the question. So what do you want? Right? Okay, yeah, understand? Yeah, this is not to confuse you. This is just to prepare you, lah. Can?
Yeah.
All right. So Aditya, if you could show me your drawing, I totally cannot follow. Totally cannot.
Yep, just give me 1 sec. I'm almost done.
Sure. Oh, but we are. We can jump to the question immediately. We can. Kind of. We can. Hey? Wait, it doesn't look perpendicular.
Yeah.
Wait. That's the way. What? Okay, wait. Okay. So please wait, Aisha. So your +1, I agree. Please label. Please write the coordinate. It's always a good practice. Yeah, label the coordinate. Oh, wow! You lose focus again. Right. Okay, focus come back. The focus does not come back. Right. This is very weird. Okay, please try again. Yeah, this is super weird. Okay, thank you. Okay, now the 0,1, I agree. Now your rise, the first guy, right? Your run should be 3, your rise should be 2 lah. So the coordinate will be. So you are not perpendicular because I think your scaling is different between the x and the y. I just write down the coordinate. Run 3, rise 2. So the coordinate will be, the other point's coordinate will be. Very good. Very good. Okay, I like it. Now, let's talk about the other line. So it's -3 over 2, right? So what did you do? And just write down the other guy's coordinate. Just write down. If you can, we'll see whether you're right or wrong. Oh, careful there. Careful there. Very careful. Very careful. Because -3 over 2 means the run is 2. The rise is -3. It's very suspicious what you did.
Oh.
It's very suspicious. Super suspicious. Your gradient is off. That one I can tell. Okay. Fix that, please. Fix that. This one has to be correct. This one has to be correct. Fix the coordinate first. Okay. Professionals do the points first, not the line. The point matters a lot. And it's gone. Right. Okay. Yeah, it's gone. All right, so because Aditya has went through this, so I'm just going to finish up by telling you this. Ainesh, there is one more thing called parallel line. So just now we discussed perpendicular lines. So it's now parallel line. So I'm going to use your line, yeah? Y equals to half x plus 3. Now give me a random number, please. Sorry, what did you say?
7.
All right, plus 7, right? So as you can tell, these two lines have the same gradient, but something else which is different. Do you see, without drawing, do you see that these two lines are parallel? If you don't, please tell me.
No, I don't think they're parallel.
All right. Now, the way to do that, to see that, is to draw. And I'm going to put this as -7 to make your life easier. Kindly draw this line and see for yourself whether it is parallel or not. See for yourself.
Yeah. What was the graph drawing website? Yeah, graph.
It's called Desmos. It's called Desmos. No, you're not going to use that for just for today. You're not going to use that. Okay? No, please. You need some sense in drawing. You need some sense. Remember, your x comma y is still a bit, no, don't redraw. No, redraw. Draw on the same axis. Draw on the same axis.
I have this weird graph though.
No, that's fine because you have this already. What? You have this already. What? I reuse your graph. I reuse your. Right? You just have to draw the second guy, this one, the new guy. The one I claim to be parallel, right? The coordinates, Aditya, coordinates very important. I want the coordinates.
-1, so it'll be like this.
Oh, my correction tape broke.
Yep. Right. Now, don't worry about that. Although you should worry about it later. But look at the triangle. No, don't draw the line. Don't draw the line. Okay. Look at the triangle. The triangle to me looks like a 2-2 triangle, not a 3-2 triangle. Isn't it?
Who are you talking to?
I'm talking to Aditya.
Okay.
Right. Look at that, Aditya. The triangle between those 2 points looks like a 2-2 triangle, not a 3-2 triangle. Correct or not?
Yeah.
So a 2-2 triangle, well, it's not a 3-2 triangle, so very high chance that it is wrong. Because the gradient is 3-2 minus 3-2 lah. Well, it's 3 and
it's
2.
It's like -3.
Down, right? So down, but you're only going down by 2, not going down by 3. Correct or not?
Yeah.
The gradient, the triangle is not 3-2. So I believe you have to correct your point. You have to correct your point. No, don't go down like that. No, don't go down like that. If you want to go down -3 like that, you have to go to the right by 2. Go to the right by 2. This is clearly no longer 90 degrees. If you want to go down by 3, you have to go to the right by 2, to the right. -3 and then 2 to the right. Okay. Yeah. That. Now the triangle looks like 3-2. It looks like that now. Okay. Tell me the coordinates and draw the line. Now, Ainesh, you draw another line. The triangle doesn't look like 1. Oh, because your -1 is so far. Oh my goodness, the scale is so bad. Right. Okay, never mind. Your drawing is not perfect at all. So is it parallel or not?
I think so, yeah.
Yeah, but your -1 scale is too far, yeah? Too far to see that, right? So maybe after this, we see Desmos, then we see how it is, no? In fact, why don't you just go to Desmos? Okay? Just see in Desmos, okay? Just to be very clear. Okay?
Will you be using Desmos as well? Because if you will, you could use screen share.
No, you try yourself. Right? You try yourself. I need to set an example of drawing. I need to, right? But, our drawing is not perfect. Then you go and try yourself. Please check for yourself. Is it parallel?
Sure. Right.
Okay, Aditya.
Again.
Yeah, super. Okay, much better. Zooming in. Right. So, can I see your? It's gone again. Okay, this is so weird. Okay. Wait. Stop for one.
Okay. Yeah.
Why is this happening today? This is very weird.
Great question.
Okay, tell me, is your phone very high above your head when you're writing?
It's like at my eye level.
Then that shouldn't be a problem. Oh, there might be. Okay, go slightly up. So go slightly further from your head, just slightly further, so that your head doesn't influence the camera, so to speak.
Oh, wow. Why is that? Oh my God, it fell.
Okay, hopefully nothing happens. Right.
Oh, I have sweaty palms. Just one sec.
Okay. So Ainesh, how's the desmos? Is the desmos kind of like convincing you?
Yes, it's parallel.
Very good. And the perpendicularity, you can also see from the desmos. Okay. Now, any questions so far? Now, again, we're waiting for Aditya. So I'm going to teach you one more. All this teaching you will be needing it. So it's not that I'm just filling your time. Yeah? So give me two random points, please. Two random points.
It's still
two random
blurry.
points, please. Oh, no, you have to zoom in. You have to zoom in. No, you have to zoom in.
Yeah, I zoomed out. It got blurry.
Because it's too far. Now it's too far. You have to go down a little bit. Not too far. Just a bit. Just go down a little bit. Yeah, just go down a little bit and then you can zoom in. So two random points, Ainesh.
On my graph?
No. Just tell me.
5,7 and 3,4.
Okay, 5,7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's your 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That's your 7. So here's your 5,7. And then I'm going to spice things up a bit by making it further. 3,4 is a bit closer. So for now, I'm going to do 1,1. 1,1. Easy. Now here's my question. You don't know any formula. You know nothing about this. You know nothing about this. Find the midpoint between these 2 points. Find the midpoint between these 2 points. Use whatever method you wish, but no formulas for you. Please try that. The midpoint between these 2 points.
3,4.
3,4. 3,4. I'm going to write ting tung, and then 4 ting tung. Now this is 3,4. Does it look like it's the midpoint?
Yes.
And it is absolutely correct. Now, more challenge ahead. How about between 5,7 and minus 1, minus 1? Can you find the midpoint? So Aditya, again, can I see your drawing so that I know that it's zooming? Okay, now it looks fine, no problem. Okay. Again, show me the drawing just now so I know that everything is fine. Yeah, just put it in. No, don't go up. Don't go up. The focus will mess up. No. The focus needs to stay. See, the focus is gone again. Okay. Right. Zoom in again. Yeah, zoom in again. So yeah, don't worry. Okay, good. Oh, now it looks very much perpendicular, isn't it?
Yeah.
Aditya. Now, do you know what's your problem with the previous point?
I got like the coordinates wrong.
You got the, oh no, this is correct. Oh, this is absolutely correct. Okay, you got the coordinate. So I will give you coordinate minus 2,4. Please try that, minus 2,4. See whether now it is correct. Oh yeah, because your scaling is not good. Give minus 2,4. Okay, so you're absolutely correct. So Ainesh, you have no problem finding the midpoint, isn't it?
Yeah.
Okay, so I'll give you even more challenge. Yeah? Now I will give you 1 point and the midpoint. Okay, I'll give you 1 point and the midpoint. You got to find the other point. Understand? For example, minus 2,3. That's point A. And then I give the midpoint as 1,2. So I'll put this as M. 1,2. Where is the other guy? Okay, Aditya, sorry. No, I need to see the drawing again. No, wait, I need to see the drawing.
Okay.
Where's your minus 2,4? Right?
The middle point.
No, I give you the middle point. You got to find the other point. Yeah, so Aditya, every time you put the paper closer, the focus is lost. It's like your iPhone is not flexible. This is very weird. Okay, try to pull up your paper a bit and then put it down again.
I didn't even put my paper close though. I just like.
Yeah. Definitely not your fault. Yeah, definitely not your fault. Okay, now it's back.
Oh,
okay.
I think
it's gone again.
My phone is
what's
burning hot. Oh my God.
Oh, your phone is burning hot. That's not good. That's not good. Yeah, that's not good. Unplug it or something. Unplug. You must be charging it or something.
No, it's just like that.
Oh, okay. Can I
I think
have
it's
minus?
because my room is also quite hot. I'm sweating.
Right. Can I have a minus
It's
2,4?
It's like if I turn on my AC, it's too cold. Even if I increase the temperature, if I turn it off, and it's too hot. There's like no in between.
You must use a different mode. There's a mode called dry mode. Do you know how to set that mode to dry mode?
Oh yeah.
Set the mode to dry mode, and it will probably be the most comfortable thing. Hopefully that works for you. Yeah, it works for me lah, because I don't like cold stuff. I don't like cold stuff. Okay, try the dry mode. Okay, excellent, Ainesh. Now, if you can explain how you do it, if you cannot, I'm totally fine.
I mean, it's probably not the correct mathematical way to say it. It's just
no problem.
2 to 1. The distance is 3 units.
Oh, absolutely correct. I'm totally happy with you. The formula, you cannot present this way. I don't care for now. Your teacher will care. You understand me?
Yeah.
I care that you see things visually correct. Your teacher will care that the examiner of your final exam can accept. So, of course, you cannot do this in exam. Right now, we don't care. Right now, I don't care. Okay? I care that you can do it, and you can do it correctly. You can accept that for now?
Yeah.
Okay, good. So I think Aditya is almost finished, and we have 3 minutes left. Right? We have a lot of technical problems today. So again, Aditya, I want to see minus 2,4. Just, give me minus 2,4, please, on the graph, minus 2,4.
Minus 2,4.
Yeah, give me minus 2,4. Minus 2 is the x-axis, minus 2.
Minus
yeah, good.
2.
And then 4, and then 4. 4, up, 4. Minus 2,4.
Oh, J. Okay.
Yeah, minus 2,4. Something. Yeah, no need to draw a line. Just a point. Right? Although this point doesn't seem to be on the line, that is the point that you should be drawing just now. You draw a point one lower. Do you understand? You draw a point one lower than
because
minus
it starts
2,4.
at 1.
Yeah, it's at 1. Yeah.
Oh my god.
Yeah. So that's why you have facing a lot of problem, no? Understand?
Yeah.
So the skill is important. I mean, we have to practice, then we know our mistakes. So good, yeah? Good for you, Aditya? Okay?
Yeah.
Okay, yeah? So Aditya, I want to confirm one point thing. Do you know midpoints? Have you learned midpoints in emath?
Yeah.
Okay, good. So now I can do whatever I wish with both of you. Unfortunately, we only have 2 minutes left. So go to page 9, please. Go to page 9. The question goes like this. A random number, please, Ainesh.
5.
5. Okay, 5/3. Right. And then another random number, Aditi.
Can it be a horrible number?
This one, no, yet. No, don't kill yourself yet. Don't yet. Not yet.
Okay. 7.
All right, -7. Okay. So they give you one line, okay, people, and then he say find the line perpendicular. Okay, line perpendicular to that line, obviously, that passes through. I should be using proper English, right? I cannot do proper English, obviously. That passes through. Let me think for a while. Okay, right. That passes through. But they don't usually do that. I'm so sorry. Let's not do that. Let me think for a while. Okay, this will be your homework. Now I have a question for you. Aditya and Ainesh, you are the question maker now. Okay, we are discussing a question that we are making. So you give yourself a line, and then your question to yourself is find the perpendicular line. Okay.
Yeah.
Now my question is this: is this part necessary or not? Or is this part additional difficulty? Or is this part totally nonsense? What do you think about this line?
The origin. What's an origin?
Oh, the origin is just the 0.0 lah. 0.0, 0, the origin. No?
Oh.
Okay. You understand my question, Aditya?
Wait, so it's
this
fine?
part of the question, find the perpendicular line perpendicular to this guy. Okay.
Okay.
That will be the question, but there's something else in behind that passes through the origin. My question is this a waste of time? Is this a way to increase the difficulty? Is this nonsense or is this necessary?
It's necessary.
You think so? Then you do.
Yeah.
Right? What do you think, Ainesh? What do you think about this part, Ainesh? Is it making your life more difficult?
Yes.
Okay. So is it necessary even though it's making your life difficult?
No.
Are you saying that it is? Okay, it's not necessary. So you think it's not necessary and it's making your life difficult, and therefore they should be giving you more marks for including this,
Yes.
correct? However, Aditya, your opinion is not like that. What's your opinion? That it is necessary.
Yeah, you have to use it.
Am I correct? All right. You have to use it. All right. So let's see who is correct. Very important for understanding. All right. This will be your homework. Okay. This will be your homework, and we will discuss whether it is necessary or whether it's making your life more difficult. Okay. I will see you guys tomorrow, right, at 1:30. Aditya, you will not be able to make it on the 1:30 one. Okay.
Wait, tomorrow is Thursday?
Tomorrow is Wednesday.
No.
Right?
I can't make it on Thursday.
Oh, so tomorrow you can make it on 1:30.
Yeah.
Oh, great. I will see you then. Okay, guys. Ainesh and Aditya, your homework is this one. I'll see you tomorrow. Good job.